big jobs, but the stress was too much. It was time to escape. So, they packed their bags, got on a plane, and flew to Spain. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
Hello channel and welcome back to The Great Escape. Just wanted to share today's meal. Some of you who've been following know that we are on a strict diet. We are on the nutritionist, so we get the menus from her. And then of course I have to do all the cooking. Don't like the measuring part and the fact that because Brenda has to eat a certain amount, I have to eat a certain amount, I have to do everything separate. Today I got a little lucky and I get to cook everything in the one pot because this particular recipe we both get in the same amount. It's two things that it's just completely random. They don't really match. Like it has to do it in a certain way, our nutritionist, so that we get in the right amount with the right meals and whatnot, proper nutrients. Today we're just eating codfish with pumpkin, and that's just gonna, and a little bit of olive oil, nothing fancy. We're just gonna saute it or pan fry it. And we're also having fit pizza. It's with tortillas integrated, which is basically just wheat tortillas. Some of your normal toppings. So I'm probably gonna do this video really quick, fast forward as I prep, measure, cook. Again, very simple, codfish and pumpkin. We just, you can season it with the herbs of your preference, and then no brainer on the pizza. Just mozzarella, we put in some ham, like lunch meat ham, mushrooms, and some herbs. Nothing really fancy. We already got our codfish here measured and everything. Both get 150 grams of it. Pumpkin, we're both getting 75 grams of that. Perfect, 75. Close enough. I want to cut 2 pieces foil paper for a pizza. So I'm just gonna season the fish, get that going. Cut it a little small so that they can cook, the pumpkin. Small pieces so that they can cook fast. Fresh parsley, so we'll be using that too. I was doing another video earlier, and for that video I just cut some bell peppers, red and green, so I don't want to throw them away, so I'm just gonna throw them in there, although it doesn't call for it. But just with seasoning, we are gonna stick to what we're supposed to eat, so I'll be just kind of taking the peppers out. Here's dried herbs. I got some oregano, thyme, cilantro. Again, we try not to use any salt, but just because of the whole diet thing. I will add some cayenne pepper to stick it up a notch. Smells pretty good in here. So while that's going, I'm gonna get started on the pizza. Already got the oven going, 350. For the tomato sauce, I'm using this already blended fresh tomatoes that they use quite a bit over here, especially for the toast in the morning. Tostada. They either put this type of tomato, it's almost like a spread, or they'll put some avocado or jamón serrano, which is cured ham, very popular over here in Spain. Delicious. don't want the pizza to be all wet, so I'm kind of squeezing some of the juice out of the tomato. Well, nobody likes a wet pizza, right? I think I'm going to cover this up so that we can cook more even. Got some ham, we're going to cut it up. Cut up our mozzarella. Next, our mushrooms. And lastly, our ham. A little bit of fresh parsley. In the oven we go. I'm actually going to put it all the way up this time and be crispy. So you didn't notice, but my phone died just a few moments ago, so I had to redo that. Pizza in the oven in about 10 minutes or so. It's like it's getting there. Then over here we have our codfish, which is all done. I'm just letting it rest there for a little bit while we wait for the pizza. So we'll be plating in just a few minutes. Looks good. Back in the oven because the side of the pizza is crispy, but the center is soggy. I don't like that. So we'll put it in there straight on the cheap pan. Careful when doing that, if you have to do it. Here you have it, folks. Alright, so there it is, our codfish with the pumpkin, looking beautiful and delicious, and our pizza. So bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Let me see. it out.
Primera Production.